Recently, there have been some interesting claims about the latest progress of China's J-35 stealth fighter. I will share with you and present some analysis. Before we go further, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment on my videos, thank you. One of the most shocking claims was that Chengdu Aircraft Manufacturing Corporation, maker of the J-20 large-size stealth fighter, would instead make the J-35 medium stealth fighter. The claim grabs a lot of attentions because the J-20 is China's best stealth fighter, and the J-35 is unlikely to match the J-20 due to its weight and size limitations. The Chengdu Aircraft Manufacturing Corporation has already built a brand new factory last year, and switching to production of the substandard J-35 seems illogical. But it is not without precedent. After producing slightly more than 200 F-22 stealth fighters, the U.S. Air Force decided to stop the production of the F-22 and instead produce the F-35, a medium fighter that is far inferior to the F-22. Cost was one of the most critical factors in the decision. Whether similar considerations exist in China is open to question. Of course, I personally believe that the reliability of this claim is relatively low because the US decision was made around year 2000 on the basis that no country could challenge the hegemony of the US Air Force, while today China desperately needed a fighter like the J-20 to balance the technological superiority of the US Air Force and Navy. In addition, the J-35 fighter jet program does not seem to be moving fast. It is still undergoing test flights and may take another 4 to 5 years before it is ready for service. In this situation, ceasing production of J-20 is very unlikely. In addition, some pointed out that the J-35 will develop into a fighter family with 4 models. The first confirmed version of the J-35 is the carrier-based version. An online video and image surfaced online over the past few months show the J-35 prototype as a carrier-based fighter with catapult launching mechanism and folding wings. The second model is the export model. Long before the J-35 was revealed, its concept prototype FC-31 had been shown to the public for many times, showing the clear intention of securing foreign orders. The third version is a 2-seat variant. The J-20 2-seat version is undergoing test flights, so there is a high possibility that the J-35 program will develop a 2-seater. Finally, a land-based variant for use by the Chinese Air Force. This variant, which eliminates complex carrier-based design features, removes a number of body enhancements, avoids the need for folded wings, and does not require catapult takeoff, could become the second stealth fighter in the Chinese Air Force lineup after the J-20 and perhaps even, like the F-35, the most produced Chinese fifth-generation fighter. With the land-based variant of the J-35, the Chinese Air Force will have access to a relatively inexpensive stealth fighter that will gradually replace the J-10, J-11 and J-16 fighters with the J-35. Of course, the above various claims still need to be confirmed, let us wait and see. Thanks for watching, and again I hope you'll share and comment and subscribe to my channel.